Hey all, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's session, we are going to discuss Advanced Communication System Multiple Choice Question and Answer. And today's topic is Optics Communication. Okay, so in this, your first question is, founded the wave theory of light? Options are option A, Francisco Grimaldi. Option B, Appleton. Option C, James Clerk Maxwell. Option D, Christian Huygens. And right answer is option D. Christian Huygens was the founded the wave theory of light. Okay. Next question. Proposed the use of clad glass fiber as a dielectric waveguide. Option A, Carpon and Keck. Option B, Carpon and Bockham. Option C, Bockham and Cow. Option D, Cow and Keck. Right answer is option C. Bachman and Cow. Okay. So proposed the use of clad glass fiber as a dielectric waveguide are Bockham and Cow. Next question. Developed the first laser. Option A, Charles Towns. Option B, Theodore Maiman. Option C, Gordon Mackenzie. Option D, Albert Einstein. Right answer is option B, Theodore Maiman. Okay, developed the first laser was Theodore Maiman. Next question. The band of light wavelets that are too long to be seen by the human eye. Option A, amber. Option B, visible. Option C, infrared. Option D, ultraviolet. Right answer is option C, infrared. Okay. The band of light wavelets that are too long to be seen by the human eye is infrared. Next question. The band of light wavelets that are too short to be seen by the human eye. Option A, amber. Option B, visible. Option C, infrared. Option D, ultraviolet. Right answer is option C, infrared. The band of light wavelets that are too short to be seen by the human eye is infrared. Next question. Which color has the shortest wavelength of light? Option A, red. Option B, yellow. Option C, blue. Option D, green. Right answer is option C, blue. Okay, blue color has the shortest wavelength of light. Next question. What generates a light beam of a specific visible frequency? Option A, laser. Option B, maser. Option C, infrared. Option D, flashlight. Right answer is option A, laser. Okay. Laser generates a light beam of a specific visible frequency. Next question. Which of the following material is sensitive to light? Option A, photoresist. Option B, photosensitive. Or option C, light sensitive. Option D, maser. Right answer is option A, photoresist. Okay, photoresist materials is sensitive to light. Next question. The core of an optical fiber has a option A, lower refractive index than air. Option B, lower refractive index than the cladding. Option C, higher refractive index than the cladding. Option D, similar refractive index with the cladding. Right answer is option C, higher refractive index than the cladding. Next question. Is the different angles of entry of light into an optical fiber when the diameter of the core is many times the wavelength of the light transmitted. Option A, acceptance angle. Option B, modes. Option D, sensors. Option D, aperture. Right answer is option B, modes. Okay. Next question. The loss in signal power as light travels down a fiber is called option A, dispersion. Option B, scattering. Option C, absorption. Option D, attenuation. Right answer is option D, attenuation. Means the loss in signal power as light travels down a fiber is called attenuation. Okay. Next question. The bandwidth of optical fiber. Option A, 900 megahertz. Option B, 900 p hertz. Option C, 900 t hertz. Option D, 900 e hertz. Right answer is option C, 900 t hertz. Okay, the bandwidth of the optical fiber is 900, and students, t hertz means terahertz. Okay, t stands for tera. Next question. If a mirror is used to reflect light, the reflected light angle is blank space as the incident angle. Option A is smaller, option B larger, option C the same, option D independent. Right answer is option C, the same. Okay. If the mirror is used to reflect light, the reflected light angle is the same as the incident angle. Next question. What is a specific path the light takes in an optical fiber corresponding to a certain angle and number of reflection? Option A mode, option B grade, option C numerical aperture, option D dispersion. Right answer is option A mode. Okay. Mode is a specific path the light takes in an optical fiber corresponding to a certain angle and a number of reflections. Next question. Is the width of the range of wavelengths emitted by the light source option A bandwidth, option B chromatic dispersion, option C spectral width, option D beam width? Right answer is option C, spectral width. Okay. In the width of the range of wavelengths emitted by the light sources spectral width. Next question. Which theory states that the light wave behaves as if it consists of many tiny particles? Option A Huygens theory, option B wave theory of light, option C Nyquist theory, option D quantum theory. Right answer is option D quantum theory. Okay. Quantum theory states that the light wave behaves as if it consists of many tiny particles. Next question. Fiber optic cables operate at frequencies near option A 20 MHz, option B 200 MHz, option C 2 GHz, option D 800 terahertz. Right answer is option D 800 terahertz. Okay. Fiber optics cables operate at frequencies near 800 terahertz. Next question. When a beam of light enters one medium from another, which quantity will not change? Option A direction, option B speed, option C frequency, option D wavelength. Right answer is option C frequency. Okay. When a beam of light enters one medium from another, frequency will not change. Okay. Next question. Dispersion is used to describe the option A splitting of white light into its component colors, option B propagation of lights in straight lines, option C bending of a beam of light when it goes from one medium to another, option D bending of a beam light when it's like a mirror. Okay, and right answer here is option A, splitting of white light into its components colors. Okay. Dispersion is used to describe the splitting of white light into its components colors. Next question. Luminance efficiency is a minimum for a fluorescent tube, option B high wattage light bulb, option C mercury vapor lamp, option D low wattage light bulb. And right answer here is option D low wattage light bulb. Okay. Luminance efficiency is minimum for a low wattage light bulb. Next question. An object further from a converging lens than its focal point always has an blank space image. Option A inverted, option B the same in size, option C virtual, option D is smaller size. Okay, and right answer here is option A inverted. Means an object further from a converging lens than its focal point always has an inverted image. Okay. Next question. An object nearer to a converging lens than its focal point always has blank space image. Option A inverted, option B the same in size, option C virtual, option D smaller size. Right answer is option C virtual. Okay, means an object nearer to a converging lens than its focal point always has a virtual image. Next question. The real image formed by a spherical mirror is blank space relative to its object. Option A erect, option B inverted, option C is smaller, option D larger. Right answer is option D larger. Okay. The real image formed by a spherical mirror is larger relative to its object. Next question. The wavelength of light has no role in option A diffraction, option B interference, option C polarization, option D reflection. Right answer is option C polarization. The wavelength of light has no role in polarization. Next question. Longitudinal waves do not exhibit option E polarization, option B refraction, option C reflection, option D diffraction. Right answer is option A polarization. Longitudinal waves do not exhibit polarization. Next question. Blank space dispersion is caused by the difference in the propagation times to light rays that take different paths down a fiber. Option A material dispersion, option B wavelength dispersion, option C modal dispersion, option D delay dispersion. Right answer is option C modal dispersion. Okay. Modal dispersion is caused by the difference in the propagation times of light rays that take different paths down a fiber. Next question. What is the average insertion loss of fusion splice in fiber optics? Option A 0.09 dB, option B 0.9 dB, option C 0.19 dB, option D 0.009 dB. Okay, and right answer here is option A 0.09 dB. What is the average insertion loss of fusion splice in fiber optics? Is 0.09 dB. Next question. What is the insertion loss of connector type splice for a spline mode fiber optics? Option A 0.51 dB, option B 0.31 dB, option C 0.49 dB, option D 0.38 dB. Right answer is option D 0.38 dB. Okay. 0.38 dB is the insertion loss of connector type splice for a single mode fiber optics. Next question. What is lifetime of LEDs? Option A 20 lakh minutes, option B 20 lakh hours, option C 150 lakh minutes, option D 150 lakh hours. Okay, and right answer here is option B 20 lakh hours. Okay, so this is the lifetime of LEDs. Next question. What is the lifetime of ILDs? Option A 50,000 hours, option B 75,000 hours, option C 100,000 hours, option D 125,000 hours. Right answer is option A. Okay, means what is the lifetime of ILDs, and this is 50,000 hours. Next question. Photodiodes used as fiber optic direction are option A unbiased to generate a voltage same as a solar cell, option B forward bias, option C reversed bias, option D thermoelectrically cooled. Right answer is option C reversed bias. Okay, photodiode used as fiber optic detectors are reversed bias. Next question. What type of fiber has the highest modal dispersion? Option A step index multimode, option B graded index multimode, option C step index single mode, option D graded index mode. Right answer is option A step index multimode. Okay, steps index multimode fiber has the highest modal dispersion. Okay, next question. Laser light is blank space emissions. Option A coherent, option B stimulated, option C spontaneous, option D coherent and stimulated. Right answer is option D coherent and stimulated. Laser light is coherent and stimulated emission. Okay, next question. A dielectric waveguide for the propagation of electromagnetic energy at light frequencies. Option A stripline, option B microstrip, option C laser beam, option D fiber optics. And right answer here is option D fiber optics. Okay. A dielectric waveguide for the propagation of electromagnetic energy at light frequencies is fiber optics. Okay, next question. Is a non-coherent light source for optical communication systems option A ILD, option B LED, Option C, APD. Option D, pin diode. Right answer is option B, LED. Okay. LED is a non-coherent light source for optical communications systems. Next question. Which type of laser is the simplest to modulate directly by changing its excitation? Option A, semiconductor. Option B, ruby. Option C, helium neon. Option D, neodymium YAG. Okay, and right answer is option A, semiconductor. Semiconductor type of laser is the simplest to modulate directly by changing its excitation. Next question. Which laser emits lights in the visible range 400 to 700 nm? Okay, nm means nanometer. Option A, argon ion. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, neodymium YAG. Right answer is option A, argon ion. Okay, argon ion laser emits light in the visible range 400 to 700 nanometer. 700 nm. Okay, next question. Which is the proper measurement of average power emitted by a pulsed laser? Option A, energy multiply time. Option B, pulse energy multiply repetition rate. Option C, pulse energy divided by repetition rate. Option D, peak power multiply pulse length. And right answer here is option B, pulse energy multiply repetition rate. Okay, so the proper measurement of average power emitted by a pulse laser is pulse energy multiply repetition rate. Next question. What is the photon energy for an infrared wave with frequency of 10 to the power 12 Hz? Option A, 10.6 multiply 10 to the power 34 joules. Option B, 6.63 multiply 10 to the power minus 34 joules. Option C, 6.63 multiply 10 to the power minus 22 joules. Option D, 10.6 multiply 10 to the power 22 joules. Okay, and right answer here is, आपको align करना होगा, and this is option C, 6.63 multiply 10 to the power minus 22 joules. Okay, 6.63 multiply 10 to the power minus 22 joules is the photon energy for an infrared wave with frequency of 10 to the power 12 Hz. Okay, next question. A positive lens with a focal length of 10 cm forms a real image of an object 20 cm away from the lens. How far is the real image from the lens? Option A, 5 cm. Option B, 10 cm. Option C, 15 cm. Option D, 20 cm. And right answer is option D, 20 cm. Okay guys, this is very important numerical for 1 marks for your upcoming examination. एंड दिस इज़ वेरी सिंपल. एंड इसके बाद भी अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी इसमें, सो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन कमेंट सेक्शन. आप मुझे कमेंट कर दीजिएगा, इसका सॉल्यूशन मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी. ओके गाइज, नाउ लेट्स फाइंड आउट द लेक्चर. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you very all the best for your examination. And please share this video with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.